Tired of staring at the level failed screen in Royal Match? Let's turn those frustrating moments into victories with these essential tips to snag extra moves. First up, dive into special events like the King's Nightmare or team battles. These often reward you with extra moves, boosters, and even unlimited lives, which can save you from losing moves in the first place. Tap on those event icons and complete the tasks. Don't forget about the Piggy Bank. Collecting stars from beating levels gradually fills it up once it's full. You can crack it open for a treasure trove of goodies, including those precious extra moves. Boosters are your best friend. Use them strategically to clear large areas and create cascades. The light ball, rocket, and propeller are game changers. Save them for when you're really stuck and close to running out of moves. Here's a pro tip: finish levels with moves to spare. Royal Match rewards you with a sugar drop bonus, turning those remaining moves into extra points and even more boosters for the next level. And if all else fails, don't be afraid to watch a quick ad. It's a small price to pay for a second chance to conquer that tricky level and keep your winning streak alive. So, whether it's special events, piggy banks, strategic booster use, maximizing the sugar drop, or watching ads, these tips will help you keep the moves coming and the wins rolling. Now go out there and crush those levels.